guys, I got a new mirror and I want to unbox it with you guys. Maybe you already see what I got, so let's see. It's looking, I have to clean it up, but I have to finish. But if I keep on continue recording, I'm not going to finish up. Okay, so yeah, when I'm done I'll show you guys. This is how I'm looking for me. So guys, I went to market to get this set of but I didn't get the pink one, so this is what I got. I can't set it up yet. I haven't set it up yet, so it's so nice. Okay, so this is the color I got, so I have to set everything up, and I think I have to have time to do all this stuff. And yeah, it's so nice. I really like it because my my kitchen's things I have is not nice. So I have it like almost 8 years, or yeah, so I have to start changing stuff in my kitchen. And I'm trying to arrange. Okay, so I'm trying to change stuff in my room. Sorry, I just took a bath and I do the skincare and my face is looking some stuff, but yeah. So I bought this stuff. Don't mind my breast. Okay, so I bought this stuff to arrange my kitchen. I'm trying to make my kitchen nice. Okay, I've been having some stuff in my room for almost 8 years, 10 years in my kitchen, so I need to change it. Even my bedroom, my living room, I need to change a lot of stuff in my kitchen, in my bedroom. And I'm trying to do everything step by step. I'm not rushing. So yeah, thank you guys for being there for me, to be watching my videos, and I appreciate it so much. So this is what I have with you guys. So we put things together and we see how it goes. So I'm just showing you for the meantime. This is the color I got. I didn't get a pink color, but I like it. Yeah, so let me start. If I want to set up I don't know. I feel like I don't talk to you guys on my videos, yeah, but I'll be trying I'm that kind of person. I don't know how to talk on videos, but I'll try and be talking on videos continuously. And yeah, I think someone told me that I need to be talking, so I think I'll show you guys. I already have mirror. There's it, and we'll see how it goes. And my room turned out to be, I don't know if the way I'm talking it's going well, right? Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'll set up all this stuff so that you guys can see. I have this. So there was groove inside. Yep. There's another head. And a big bowl again. Okay, so this is their head. I got this set of plates. I love to open it, but I can't. It's too heavy to pull it out. So let me see if I can do that. It's too heavy to pull it out. Okay. So this is the head. I love it. All of them. I have 3 sets, so I love it. That's it, guys. This is what I unboxed today. Talk to you guys later. Let's put things together and let's see how we are going to arrange.
YouTube, you know, even like the other arranging it to say, there's it. Good to go. The apron, still a
I'm done unboxing and I'm trying to do some salad for myself. Yep.